Hello everyone, it's Peter here. This is a part 2 about the iPhone, which had a proximity sensor missing flex. Yes, the same booking ID, by the way. I didn't show you the booking ID in the first one. Oh, sorry. Here, I forgotten that I set the length. Yes, focus. So yeah, you can see almost 9 minutes. Yes, before it was lasting only up to 4, and then the processor didn't want to work anymore. You know, cut off because it was afraid of like burning something. Yes. So now we've got over 9 minutes here. Let's leave it so that you can see it. So to sum up, my assumption was right. The flex missing, yes, came from Amazon. They always send some screw sets. That's a waste on its own. That shouldn't be sent. I should be able to choose OEM. Yes, when I go to Amazon, it's in rare occasions I can buy OEM, but why I need so many screwdrivers? Like, come on, you know, people, it's just ridiculous. But anyways, you see that cable missing caused the phone to restart. Yes. Now I've spoken with the customers, and here is the catch-up. They went to the shop in Bathgate. The screen was replaced, and that was on that time when the phone started to restart. So not what I thought, that when the phone has dropped. Yes, that was wrong assumption or miscommunication. You see how important it is to communicate well with the customer. Leave the notes in the CRM system. Yes, like we've got one in Inte.Team. Yes, this way. Yes, this way. You go to that booking. Yes, you go to that booking, and you can check. Yes, you can easily check what is the problem. Yes, and then update the CRM. That's how important it is to use professional tools. But the 235, let me go to undergoing, and 235, that's deeper because we've got too many. And the notes. Yes, so I've got only that left with a case. Yes, so that was the rear stuff. And water damage iPhone 14. That's what customer told me. So it wasn't that drop. Yes, I was wrong, the original. Yes, that's why I'm saying, gotcha moment, because I shouldn't, I shouldn't tell you differently. So now you know, it's a water damage iPhone 14, okay, 235. Now what it is that we don't believe that the only problem was that the business in Bathgate didn't put the flex. That's how some of the repair shops are working. And that's all I wanted to share in this video, guys. So yes, part 2, it's a full fix. We can see clearly, apart from the screen being dimmed, but you can see clearly it's still working, it's going great. I will just glue it and give it back to the customers, hopefully today, because they are leaving on Thursday. So yes, we've got Tuesday today. So yeah, better than test it for another day before they are going, so that they know that everything is hunky-dory here. Thank you guys for watching. As always, you have a YouTube music, 10 of our songs, which one is Integrity, our philosophy. Try to watch them, listen to them actually, yes. Only 10, the rest are for members, so you'd have to go to Inte.Team, Inte.Team, and to see that. Okay, I thought it died, but it actually didn't. So yeah, all good. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.